Wow, this airport is very big.
Yes, it is. Many people travel from here every day.
I'm excited, but also a little nervous.
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Did you bring your passport?
Of course, it's in my bag. Did you bring yours?
Yes, I checked it 3 times this morning.
That's good. Traveling needs preparation.
What should we do first?
First, we should go to the check-in counter.
Is our flight soon?
Our flight leaves in about 2 hours.
Great, so we still have time.
Yes, we are early. That is always better.
I hope my luggage is not too heavy.
Don't worry, it looks fine to me.
I'm really excited about this trip.
Me too. It's going to be a great adventure.
Okay, let's go check in our bags.
Good idea. The counter is over there.
Look, David, I think this is our airline.
Yes, you're right. The sign says our flight number.
The line is not too long. That's good.
Yes, we won't have to wait too long.
I always feel nervous at check-in.
Why? It's usually very easy.
I'm always worried about my luggage weight.
Don't worry. Your bag doesn't look heavy.
I packed many clothes for the trip.
That's okay. It's better to be prepared.
Oh, look, it's our turn now.
Great. Let's go to the counter.
Hello, we would like to check in.
Here are our passports and tickets.
I hope everything is correct.
I'm sure it will be fine.
I'm glad we arrived early.
Yes, traveling is less stressful that way.
Now let's put the luggage on the scale.
Okay, let's see the weight.
Now we need to go through security.
Yes, the security area is over there.
The line looks long.
Don't worry, it usually moves fast.
What do we need to do here?
We must put our bags on the scanner.
Do I need to remove my laptop?
Yes, and also your phone.
Okay, I'll put them in this tray.
Good idea.
Should I take off my jacket too?
Yeah, sometimes they ask for that.
Traveling has many steps.
That's true, but it's part of the adventure.
Okay, I'm ready to walk through the scanner.
Me too.
Great, that was quick.
Yes, now we can go to our gate.
Look, David, gate A12 is right here.
Perfect. This is our gate.
We still have some time before boarding.
Yes, about 30 minutes.
I'm starting to feel hungry.
Me too. Let's get something to eat.
I see a cafe over there.
Great idea.
I think I'll buy a sandwich.
I'll get coffee.
Airports have many restaurants.
Yes, travelers need food.
I'm really excited about visiting New York.
Me too. I've always wanted to go there.
This trip will be fun.
Absolutely.
I hear an announcement.
Maybe it's our flight.
David, they just called our flight.
Really? That's great.
Boarding is starting now.
Let's get in line.
There are many passengers.
Yes, this flight looks full.
I hope we get good seats.
Me too.
Here comes the flight attendant.
Get your boarding pass ready.
Here is mine.
And here is mine.
Wow, this airplane is big.
Yes, it looks comfortable.
I'm very excited about this trip.
Me too. It's the beginning of a great adventure.
Next stop, New York.
Let the adventure begin.
Wow, this airplane is really big.
Yes, it is. Let's find our seats.
My seat number is 18A.
Mine is 18B. We are sitting together.
That's perfect. I like window seats.
Good. You can enjoy the view.
Look at all the passengers.
Yes, this flight is very full.
Excuse me, I think this is our row.
Yes, seat 18A and 18B are here.
Great. I will sit by the window.
I will sit next to you.
Where should I put my bag?
You can put it in the overhead bin.
Okay, I hope it fits.
Let me help you with that.
Thank you, David.
You're welcome.
I'm very excited about this trip.
Me too. The adventure is just beginning.
Everyone is sitting now.
Yes, the plane will leave soon.
The flight attendant is speaking.
She is giving the safety instructions.
I see the seatbelt sign.
Yes, we must fasten our seatbelts.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect.
They are showing the oxygen masks.
I hope we never need them.
Me too, but it's good to know.
Safety is very important on planes.
The plane is starting to move.
We are going to the runway.
I feel a little nervous.
Don't worry, flying is very safe.
Okay, I trust the pilot.
Soon we will be in the air.
This is exciting.
Our journey has started.
David, I am a little thirsty.
The flight attendant is coming.
Excuse me, may I have some water?
I would like a coffee, please.
Thank you very much.
This coffee smells good.
Do you want some snacks?
Yes, maybe some cookies?
Flying makes me hungry.
Me too.
The view from the window is amazing.
The clouds look beautiful.
Everything looks so small below.
Yes, we are very high.
This flight is comfortable.
I'm enjoying it too,
Traveling is always exciting.
especially when going somewhere new.
I can't wait to arrive.
New York will be great.
David, the plane is shaking.
It's okay. That's just turbulence.
It feels a little scary.
Don't worry. It's normal.
The seatbelt sign is on again.
Yes, we should stay seated.
The plane moved suddenly.
That happens sometimes in the air.
I hope it stops soon.
It usually doesn't last long.
The flight attendant looks calm.
That's a good sign.
You're right. She is smiling.
Everything is under control.
The shaking is getting better now.
Yes, it's almost over.
I feel more relaxed now.
See? Nothing to worry about.
Thanks for calming me down.
That's what friends are for.
David, look outside the window.
Wow, I see the city.
Are we arriving already?
Yes, the pilot is landing the plane.
The buildings look huge.
That's New York for you.
I can see many lights.
The city never sleeps.
I'm so excited to explore it.
Me too.
The plane is going down slowly.
We will land in a few minutes.
I feel the wheels touching the ground.
Welcome to New York.
We made it.
Our adventure begins now.
This trip will be amazing.
Let's start exploring the city.